Hey guys, on today's video, I wanted to do a review on Discover Bank, which is a bank I personally use and believe is one of the best online banks currently available going into 2022. Now, if you've watched my videos in the past, then you know that Chime and SoFi are my two go-to online banks, since to me, they offer a lot more than other online or traditional banks. But today I decided to talk about Discover Bank because it's another online bank I really like and one I currently use for my rental property. So by the end of this video, you should know what Discover Bank has to offer, how you can earn cash back with your Discover checking account, and how you can earn passive income with your savings account. So to begin with, Discover Bank offers something that is extremely important when it comes to banking, and that's no fees, which is pretty refreshing because no one really likes to pay unnecessary bank fees. This includes no minimum balance, no monthly maintenance fees, no foreign transaction fee, no insufficient funds fee, and no overdraft fee. I mean, you really shouldn't ever have to pay fees to any bank, and Discover does a great job at bringing this to life. That no overdraft fee alone is gold, especially if you were to compare it to other banks like Wells Fargo, who charges $35 whenever you overdraft. I know, that's a lot. On top of no fees, this bank offers a variety of banking options with benefits, and that leads us to their checking account. The Discover checking account comes with no fees, checks, and a debit card that allows you to earn cash back on your purchases, which is something that most banks don't offer. With your Discover debit card, you're going to be able to earn 1% cash back on up to $3,000 in debit card purchases every single month, which is the same as $30 in cash back if you were to spend $3,000 monthly. So if you don't usually pay your bills with cashback credit cards, which I suggest, and instead you pay your bills with a debit card, then this would be a great way to pay your bills and earn some cash back while you're at it. You'll also have access to over 60,000 no-fee ATMs in the US, where you're going to be able to use your debit card to withdraw money for free whenever you want. But keep in mind that you may be charged a fee by a merchant if you use an ATM outside of the Discover no-fee network. But I don't really think this should be a problem since they offer more than 60,000 ATMs for you to choose from. Another benefit you'll get is the ability to send and receive money fast and free with Zelle, as well as an easy-to-use app where you can do things like check your account, deposit checks, find ATMs near you, transfer money, pay bills, freeze your debit card, and a lot more. Now moving on to the Discover savings account. This account is a high yield savings account, which is a savings account that pays you a higher than average interest rate on the money you have in that account. In other words, the money that you put into that account will earn you money. For example, Discover offers 0.4% APY, which means if you had $10,000 in a Discover savings account, within a year that money will earn you an extra $40 without you doing anything. And although $40 might not seem like much for a whole year, when you actually compare that to other banks like Bank of America and Wells Fargo that only offer 0.1% APY, with them you'll only earn $1 within a year, which is not even enough to buy a cookie with inflation being so high. So honestly, it's not life-changing money, but if you're going to leave your money parked in any bank account, then it should be earning you money. And with the Discover savings account, you can do just that. With Discover, you'll also be able to open up a money market account, which is a savings account that offers checking account benefits. With this type of account, you're going to be able to earn 0.3% interest on your money, as well as have access to a debit card, checks, ATMs, and a lot more. Moving on to the last savings account Discover offers, we've got a CD, in other words, a certificate of deposit, which is simply a savings account that allows you to lock in a specific amount of money at a fixed guaranteed interest rate for a fixed period of time. The main difference between this and a regular high yield savings account is that the interest rate on a high yield account can change, while with a CD, you can lock in your money at a fixed interest rate that will never really change during the time the money is in that account. Now, Discover currently offers a variety of CDs that start from as low as 3 months to a high of 10 years, but the longer your term is, the higher your interest will be. For example, as you can see on the screen, if you were to choose to lock in your money in a CD for 12 months, then you would earn 0.55% interest on that money. But if you were to choose a 5-year term, then you'd earn 1% interest on all the money you have in that account, which is almost double. Now, although you can earn a lot of interest when putting your money into a CD, I don't really recommend anyone doing this because if you were to take your money out before your fixed period of time, then you'll need to pay a fee. I also don't see a point in locking your money away for X amount of months for years just to earn some interest, especially now when there are other ways for you to earn interest. For example, you can just get the regular Discover High Yield Savings account and earn 0.40% interest while having access to your money at any time instead of locking it away. And if you want an even higher return, you can look into banking platforms like Chime, who currently offers 0.50% APY on their savings account. Now, the last banking products Discover offers are an IRA CD as well as an IRA savings account that works the same as a CD and a regular Discover savings account, except your money will be put into your individual retirement account. Now, lastly, Discover has one of the best, if not the best, 24/7 customer service where you can call and get any questions answered or any problem solved any day and at any time within minutes. And this is extremely important when choosing an online bank since there's no physical location you can go to speak to someone. In conclusion, Discover Bank offers a variety of banking options and benefits, making this one of the best online banks currently available going into 2022, in my opinion. Anyways, you guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys found value in today's video. If you did, please just show the like button. Please give me some feedback down in the comment section, and please make sure to subscribe. I have a new subscriber goal to reach 5,000 subscribers, so let's get it.